Welcome back to Squawk Box this morning. Today we're unveiling the 10th annual Disruptor 50 list. It's CNBC's list of private companies pushing their industries forward. Coming in at number 2 this year is Brex. It's a financial services company helping other companies with spend management and bill pay software. Joining us right now with how his team is disrupting corporate fintech. Henrique Dubugras, he's co-founder and co-CEO of Brex. Good morning to you. It's nice to see you. Congratulations for making number 2 on the list. Oh, so close to number 1. Tell us, for those uninitiated, about the business. I remember when you first started effectively as a credit card business for small businesses.
Yeah, for sure. So look, super proud to be number two, and super proud for the number 1 being a Brex customer too. So I'm super excited about that and proud of our customers. So as you mentioned, we started, our first product was a corporate card for startups, and we were disrupting the traditional industry of credit cards, right, by giving limits to startup companies and technology companies that couldn't get access to it. And as we evolved, these companies grew to be a lot larger than when they started, including Brex, and they started having new needs. So that's when we went into spend management software and also global, right, and helping these companies not only scale their spend management, but also hire anywhere, especially after COVID is remote. And different than the traditional software spend management that existed in the market, where they were trying to add more controls, more bureaucracy, and make the company slower, our software tries to increase the speed of the businesses while creating a culture of financial discipline in a global scale. So that's the next step for us. And I
Henry,
think that...
explain this. For those who may not understand it, if you were to sit around on a Monday morning with a whiteboard and write down a list of your competitor set, given what you guys are trying to do now, who would they be?
I would say the biggest competitors are like American Express and the other big banks that do corporate cards, but also the spend management solutions such as Concur, for example, would be a competitor.
So Concur, Expensify, that kind of thing.
Correct.
And to the extent that you can explain it, what is the distinction or difference between your product and a Concur or an Expensify on that side, or on the other side, a business card from Amex?
Absolutely. So the beauty of our product is the integration between the card and the spend management software, right? So the fact that you come both together, it is very quick. It is very special, the fact that we can do a lot that they can't. So a couple of features that are very easy to understand that we do and others don't is, for example, managers, they don't need to approve every single expense. They only need to approve things that are out of policy, because the reality is most managers have no time to look through every expense. So they just rubber stamp it and move on. With Brex, we flag things that are out of policy. So you look at 2 or 3 things in order to approve them, right? Which makes it much easier, and you get things approved much faster. Or another example is around receipts. Because Brex is highly integrated, we can automatically gather receipts. So this thing about going to a restaurant or spending on Amazon and having to deal with the receipts, after implementing Brex Empower, that's over. And number 3 is all of this globally, right? Not only in the US, but if you're hiring people in Canada and Europe and over 100 countries, we can help you do that.